Pod's deep. Remember, John, wide in, tight out.
Oh, God. Wide in and tight out, Michael, yes.
Right, so we've got John. Meet you at the end. There's Ian.
Yeah.
There's Vogue. Gary, KTM. Ray, KTM.
Love jump.
Carl, 300. Paul on a 300. There's Lord Farquhar.
Hello, matey.
I didn't realise you were that fast, man. You said
Right, where the fuck Carl? First forward tip. It's alright, Paul, I can see you.
Recording comms, so don't say fuck or bugger.
oh, fucking hell.
I've erased those words from my vocabulary for this video.
Yeah, I think we need to try and stop swearing so fucking much.
Yeah. Yeah, it's switched along in there, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, Michael going sideways there. Go on,
Yeah,
Michael.
I've got proper tyres on. Oh my god.
Rich, you stand on.
What?
Oh, go on, John.
This is slippy as second to be nice.
What's that? Right, we'll look together. That's better. This might take a while, guys.
Steady away.
Bob jump.
How slippy is that?
You're right on the route there, John. Careful. Right, you're over it, man.
Nice one.
Not like an ankle workout, isn't it? Oh. What the hell?
Oh, that's John.
Yep.
You're at 300, don't worry.
Sorry if I'm holding next gate, Mike. Sorry if I'm holding people up.
Don't be daft. I said you just have to give you a bit of warning that you're stopping.
I'll never live like that, will I?
Do it once, mate. You do it once, that's it forever.
Go on, Gavel Brush. Build 1,000 bridges, you're never a bridge builder. You shag one sheep. Is that a confession?
It sounds like it.
All confessions will be when we're off camera.
Well, you need to say when we're not recording then.
including one where I was actually kidnapped. Bridge. Yep. Look where the water's been, up there. Right up there.
Yep.
Look at that.
Oh, this is nice.
That looks like Redcar Beach, Michael.
This is I was trying to stop somewhere so I can watch you coming through. Go up there.
No. Where would you go to the bridge?
That's a good bridge.
You won't get wet.
Who's going over the bridge?
Go on, who's left?
You're not going over the fucking bridge.
Come on.
He's going over the fucking bridge.
Who is?
Where are you going? It's not deep, John.
What? I've been watching you, you lying sod.
It's not really. Just come straight across and round.
Right in front of Michael, that's it.
Watch where you want to go. Yeah. Watch where you're going, not where you are. Go on Ian, keep the revs up, just drive straight here, don't look at the water, just come straight to me. Come on, to me. Well done, Paul.
Oh, come to that, up she comes. Thank you.
Knock his my bike off, Michael.
I can't get it. Funny, I can't get on to the right.
Yeah, alright, take your time. Maybe he's off, is it?
Okay.
Yeah.
It is, yeah, I've killed it.
I got you.
Yeah, alright, Paul. No worries, bud.
You right?
Whenever you are.
Straight away I'm like, oh shit, I'm in the wrong rut here, aren't I?
The left was better than the right one. You can get battered off the trees in the right one.
Yeah, I think it should be in the middle one though.
Nah, the left one's alright.
Yeah. Are you like within millimetres of my back wheel?
No, it's not me.
If you can, Ian,
Yeah.
just get a feel for it, stand up.
Yeah.
You'll just get a better feel for it when you're in the ruts.
Oh, Ray's got it.
Perfect, man.
Have you ever done that lane down there, Michael?
Paul has.
It's not a lane, is it?
It's got TRO on it. Ian, look where you're going, not your front wheel.
Cheers,
You keep doing it, Ian, you keep looking down. Just fucking look up, keep your head straight up. Are you going first, Nick?
What?
I'll follow you.
What, Gary? Oh, then.
I'm never as confident in the mud as you are. Try and relax. It's easier said than done.
Yeah.
We want to relax everything.
Except your sphincter. Who's off?
Ian.
Someone else is off as well. Take your time.
Yeah, I'm fine.
It's pretty cool sound effects though when they fall off. Apparently this is what a Vogue 300 Rally looks like with half a beak.
Fucking got it pointing at.
Fucking hell.
Oh, that's a little bit,
That's a bit naughty, that.
you want to snap the rest off. Go on, Gazzy.
God, I missed it again.
Is it sticking out somewhere there, is it?
What, that's in it?
Yeah.
You don't want to leave that there?
I don't like put it in, really.
Yeah, silly fool.
No, don't pull it out. Wait till we...
What do you mean, don't pull it out?
Obviously, you can patch it, but we won't be able to patch that, will I?
What?
We can patch it. No conviction.
I might not go through it, like with the amount of water we've had.
Well, look at it there.
Like Matey Boy says, risk versus reward.
Sure.
What?
Sure.
Is she deep?
It looks fairly. I was looking at them branches that have gone there. Fucking hell, mate.
Got to that. Yeah, I'm hedging it.
Ah, up to it.
It's easy, that.
Bridge, Carl's gone over the bridge, big puppy.
Aye. Pussy's times 2.
Get in. Race through. Well done. Oh, get out of the way! Fucking hell.
I'll wait till I get over from our walk.
Get in, Dick.
Right, go on, Gary.
Right, come on. I'll beat you at the top.
Oh, really?
There's a fucking red ragger. Whoa. Watch the stones. Race at the top. Now we'll have to be careful in case there's pedestrians.
Looking at the car, the country.
Yeah, that's why I said it.
We're not doing the whole lane, are we?
No, stop at the road, turn left. Let me know when you're passing so I don't go out. What? Oh, there's tractor, tractor, tractor. Tractor! I fucking slowed you down, Dick.
What's the point of that, you dick?
Right, bud. You fucker. I reckon I should probably stop trying to race people who are better riders and run faster bikes. Nah.
I feel a bit this, right?
Oh, I'm coming to the right, Dick! Oh, should we have stopped to close the gate?
What?
Should we have stopped to close the gate?
I don't know. Well, like, so Greenlanes go to G.L.A.S, sure you can close the gate. Can't see now to me, eh?
Who said that?
What?
Oh, it's a person. No, it's not a person.
I thought it was at first.
Oh yeah, I'm not going fast up here. Get in. You just can't see out, can you?
Not really. Not to be going much quicker than this, to be fair.
No. Ride at a speed where you can stop safely in the distance you can see. yeah, we were dodging. We were cutting our way through the bit we could see through, weren't we? Oh shit! I had to check mine's on. This new switch has got an off button. Oh, you were here. Mate, I would get out of the way. Get out the way. Oh, there you go. Oh no, it's our lot. It's 4 o'clock. Well, that's it, nearly back. Got a few falling off today. I think they've had fun. It's hard to tell. Anyway, thanks for watching.